We've got to a really exciting point in the project here for our CCS injection test.
I got no doubt we will be ready very soon.
Really exciting to actually see it all coming together in the real world.
Today we have their visit to come and see the reality of the project.
We are currently in the mobilization phase of the rig that will support the coming injection test on Le Mans.
It has been a great collaboration between Petrodec, SLB and Perenco UK to convert the AirDA that is used to do typical oil and gas operations to do CO2 injection operations.
So the progress is clear. We are in the middle of the mobilization. We have all the equipment here, and most of them, if not all, already in place onto the deck of the AirDA.
Very soon we will also receive the Atlantica carrier supply vessel that will come alongside for testing the transfer of CO2 from the tanks on the vessel to the platform.
It's great to see everything coming to life. We've been looking at slides and reports for the last 2 years, so to actually lift an ISO tank onto the deck and see how big it is and how it measures up against the rig is really exciting.
So we will start with CO2 in gas phase, warm, and then we will move to supercritical, and then we will move to liquid phase.
However, with CCS, the challenge now is achieving the desired temperature of CO2 that's being injected into the well.
The dream result is that we can inject the CO2 in liquid phase, which means that you can get a really good high flow rate.
We have downhole gauge data coming from the completion of the well. This is then transmitted into our control cabin, along with surface data that we'll be monitoring, such as the pump rates, pressures, temperatures.
So the pressure and temperature will tell us which phase the CO2 is in the wellbore.
This is important because we'll be making real-time decisions when we are on the rig. So we expect to acquire about 6 terabytes of data for every injection cycle that we do.
What this test will allow us to do is to give us the empirical data, to calibrate all our models, and to be able really to unlock the market.
There is, of course, there is a lot of science, but there is a lot of engineering behind this operation and a lot of curiosity.
It has been such an adventure because it's not what the industry is used to.
Because this is the first project of this kind in UK waters, we're really setting the standards and paving the way for other projects of a similar kind that will come afterwards.
It's going to be another level of excitement when the rig is going to interface with the platform and we are going to do all the final checks and start to inject CO2. It's really an adventure.
It is the largest CCS project as of today, and it will open up the door to similar projects once we have a proof of concept.
We're almost mechanically complete. Next week we'll already start testing the systems, and we will carry out a trial in port before the rig sails away towards the end of December.
So we have safety case approval both for the rig and for the platform, so we're ready to go.
Very exciting. This is the moment where the rubber hits the road.
We're putting the final touches on the preparations to go out and actually execute this injection test that we've been planning for over a year.
I think it will be a fantastic achievement for year 24 for the group to see the physical start of this project.